Hey guys, my name is Azaria and welcome to my channel. Today I have my second relaxed hair update and I am very excited because I don't know if you can see, but sis got inches. Sis got some inches. Okay, so the last time I relaxed my hair was on the 17th of September and I recently did it on the 26th of January. So altogether, that was a stretch of about 18 weeks or 4.5 months plus some days, so a little bit over that. And when I tell you that 4 months, the last like 6 weeks of that 4 months was just it was a difficult stretch. It was a really difficult stretch. I don't think that I will be able to stretch for 4 months in the future. I just think that it is a bit tough on me and tough on my hair. I would say for the most part, the first 2 months to 2.5 months, it's fine. My hair is very manageable. But as soon as I start to cross that 3 month period, going into 4 months onwards, my new growth just gets tough because I have very thick hair, so managing my thick new growth and then my relaxed ends, it just gets really tough for me. I really wish I took a picture before I relaxed my hair to show you guys just how bad my roots were looking. It was just bad. And then also I realized from observation the last 2 weeks to 3 weeks before I relaxed my hair, I was experiencing more breakage than usual and like long strands of breakage. And it was just because my hair was not able to manage the two textures, and it was tough. It was really tough. In terms of my routine generally was the same throughout this time period. I wash weekly. The only thing that I switched up from the first 3 months that I had my hair relaxed is I reduced the amount of protein that I used. So one wash day a month, I would use a protein deep conditioner in my hair just to keep that moisture protein balance. And then the other 3 weeks, I would use a moisturizing deep conditioner just to make sure that I'm upkeeping with my moisture and that my hair doesn't fall off my head. In addition to that, I also moisturize and seal about 2 to 3 times a week. It's just depending on how my hair is feeling that week, to be honest. For example, if I have a braid out, usually I do braid outs, I would moisturize about 3 times a week because my hair gets drier. If my flat iron my hair, I'd moisturize about twice, sometimes once a week, because my hair is able to absorb that moisture and keep that moisture in a little bit better when it's flat ironed. I'm not sure why, but it just does. Also, I reduced the amount of oil I started using in my hair. My hairstylist, the last time that I went to get a relaxer, said that I was using too much oil in my hair and that it was limp. So I drastically reduced the amount of oil that I use in my hair, and I found that my hair feels a lot lighter. It's not as weighed down and it's able to stretch longer. I feel as though the amount of oil I was putting in my hair previously was just weighing down my hair and it just made wash days more stressful, but now it's not as much and it's easier to manage. And yeah, I definitely think I made the better decision in making those tweaks to my routine, and my hair is better because of it, and I'm very happy about that. Getting into my relaxer day was it was a little bit stressful. I'm going to admit it was a little bit stressful because first of all, my hair just felt extremely matted. It was dry. It was a mess. It was a hot mess, and I don't think it's anybody's fault but mine, because I am in charge of maintaining my hair and making sure that it doesn't get to that stage. But circumstances prevented me from relaxing sooner than I wanted to, but it is what it is. So when I got to my hairstylist, my hair was matted, it was dry, it was breaking. So she did her best to kind of separate, base my scalp, apply the relaxer as best as she could. It was a little bit painful because she had to like go through my roots, and it was like 2+ inches of new growth. It was tough. It was a tough relaxity. But I think I came out better on the end of it. The relaxer took really, really, really well. Let me just show you guys. The relaxer took really, really well, and I'm happy with the result. My hair looks nice and full. I'm loving my length. I think, the longer you stretch, obviously the more your new growth grows out, so the more inches you get when you relax. And also, she did not have to trim that much of my hair. She just did a light dusting and then took off some just to keep the layers in the front of my hair. So I didn't have to do a major trim, which was a good thing because I got to keep obviously more length, and I was very happy about that. And I'm just happy about maintaining my routine and maintaining my hair as best as I can. I think I'm doing very well with that, and I'm looking forward to this next, I don't want to say 4 months, let's say 3.5 month stretch that I'm going to do. My goal this year is to get my hair to waist length, so we'll see if that actually happens, but I really, really hope it does. I did take some pictures coming home from my hairdresser, and I will include it now, and I also have some comparison pictures, so I'll include that for you guys today. When you see these pictures, you will understand how much my hair grew from since I first relaxed it in June of 2021 to now January 2022. I feel like my hair grew so much, and I am actually very happy that I made the decision to relax my hair because I'm actually seeing the growth and the results that I've been trying to achieve for the longest while, and I am just very happy. So you guys can look at the pictures and let me know what you think in the comments below. But there is definitely some growth there. There's definitely improvement, and your girl is happy.
Okay, so this is how my hair currently looks as of January. And on the right is my hair from September and obviously left from January. And these are my 3 pictures in comparison from June, September, and January.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. This is my first video of 2022, so more content to come, don't you worry. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already, and please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoy this video and content like this, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh